Hello friends, so today we are back here with our new video, and today's video is about Volkswagen Passat. Yes friends, this is Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2011 model car. It's in awesome condition. There is no error in the car as such. The car is in mint condition. It's a CKD model. It's a 2011 second owner Highline model, which is a top model in diesel variant. And guys, it also has one sunroof in. Yes. This is the key of the vehicle, of this beautiful machine. And guys, I would like to tell you one good feature about this car. In every Volkswagen or Skoda cars, you will get this feature. If you keep on pressing this unlock button, all the four windows will automatically switch on. It will go down, I mean. And guys, if you press this lock button continuously, all the four windows will go up. This is one cool feature which many of you will not be knowing. And guys, I would like to show you the boot space of this car. Guys, it has a massive amount of boot space. Yes, you can clearly see the amount of boot space in this car. So guys, let's hop on to the back seat of the car. Let's unlock the car first. So guys, this is the back seat of the car. It's very spacious and comfortable. It has air ventilated seats for both the passenger side as well as the driver side. This is the clean dashboard of the car. It's looking awesome. It's an automatic car, by the way. It also has pedal shifters in it and a good sunroof. It has rear AC vents. And guys, I'll show you the handrest and the rear seat. So this is the handrest. It's comfortable. This even opens. Yes. I think there's enough space to fit 3 people in the middle seat, because me being 6 feet tall can easily sit at the rear seat. So let's hop on to the front seat. And yes, there's a company fitted sunshade in this car, even in that door as well. So we'll keep this open. So guys, this is the front seat of the car. These are air ventilated seats. Let's sit in the car and close the doors of the car. This is a sunglass holder. These are the lights of the car. This control is for the sunroof thing. I'll show you that also. And this is the huge touchscreen infotainment system in the car. These are the controls for the AC, the air conditioner. I'll do one thing, I'll just switch on the car and then I'll let you know more information about the car. So guys, this is the AC. You can control the air vents with this. And just switch this also on. As you can clearly see, I'll show you the first of all I'll show you the volume of this car. 1 second please. So guys, the music system is also great in this car. This is the clock. There are 4 AC vents on the front side. This is the control for the headlight thing. If you put it on auto, the car will adjust to the climate outside, to the weather conditions outside, and automatically it will switch on the headlights or switch off the headlights. This is a dim light and this is the normal light headlight. This is for off. I'll keep this for auto. These are the controls for the adjusting for the mirrors. You can adjust the mirrors from here. See this, as you can clearly see. Yes. See this. These are auto folding mirrors. You can adjust them from here itself. These are the controls for the power window. Yes. Sorry. These both are the controls for locking the car or unlocking the car, and these are the controls for the power windows. I'm extremely sorry. And guys, this is my second YouTube video. So please support my channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please be along with me in this video further, because I will be explaining you many more features in this car. These are the controls for the air ventilation of the seats. Yes, as you can clearly see. Now I'll tell you these features. So guys, for your information, according to me, this car has more features than a Audi A6 car, because as you can see, there are so many features here only. So this feature, if you see, this is for the parking. I mean the handbrake thing. If you shift this down, the handbrake is gone. The handbrake is off. And if you press this up, if you pull it up, means the handbrake is on. Means you have already pulled the handbrake. This is a cool feature. And now I'll make sure that you understand this also feature, that is auto hold. So if I switch this to D and if I go straight, okay, like I'm going straight, now I'm facing some traffic, so I need to stop the car. So if I just put this on auto hold, and if I leave my if I pull out my legs from the brake, the car won't go ahead. It will stay on its position even if it's on D. And as soon as I pull this out, the car will again start moving as soon as I pull off the brakes. So this is a very cool feature about the car. And guys, see this. These are the dual cup holders of this car. So guys, if you are traveling for a long route or something, you can easily store any coffee or something in this. Yes, and I'll show you this as well. This has a mirror, and when you close it, the light also switches off, and when you open it, the light also switches on. This is also a cool feature. Same goes with this thing. I'll show you the sunroof, the main part of the car, the main heart of the car, heart and soul of the car. If I just switch this on, yes, that's a very big sunroof. And guys, now if I switch this off, sunroof will come at its place. So guys, now let's go for a drive. And guys, even I want to show you this also. This has a aux system in it also. It has a aux system, it has a FM system, it has a AM system. It also has Bluetooth connectivity. These are the controls for the cruise control thing. And these are the controls for the media control. Like you can change the channel, you can increase or decrease the volume of your music. These are the pedal shifters in this vehicle, this and this. Like if you are plan to drive on the sports mode, these both features will come into the play. These are for the indicator lights. These are for the wiper. And this is also for the same thing, cruise control. And these are auto dimming mirrors, I mean. So now guys, let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive guys now. So I switch this to D. I make sure my handbrake is not there. So I'll just go straight now. It's a very smooth car guys. Trust me when I say it's a very smooth car. You won't even feel the speed breakers. See this. You can clearly see the pickup of this car. The pickup of this car is amazing. The suspension of this car is awesome guys. Shock up suspension, everything is working perfectly. There is zero error in the car. And guys, this car moves at a speed of 220 km/h on a proper expressway. By the way guys, this is a very safe car. For the people who are looking out for a very safe car, this is the best option you can get, because this car has 8 airbags. Yes, I literally say it has 8 airbags in the car. See, it's just gliding over the potholes. So guys, now we'll go back to to my office and we'll discuss what is the rate of the car, what are the other feature which you will get along with the car. And guys, I forgot to tell you one main feature in this car. Both the driver and the passenger seat in the front row gets electronically adjustable seats, which makes your drive perfect. Yes. So guys, now I'll just take a U-turn and we'll go to my office and we'll discuss about the rate of the car. Yes, chalo. So guys, I hope you like this video. I would like to repeat that this car is a 2011 car. It's a second owner car. It's Volkswagen Passat, the TDI Highline model. It's a diesel automatic car, the top model in Volkswagen till date, and it's with sunroof. So guys, if you like the car, you can anytime visit my office, which is in Dahisar East, Anand Nagar. My office's name is Narayan Motors. And guys, for speaking about the price of this car, you can get this car in only and only 7,25,000 rupees. So guys, this is a limited time offer till Dussehra. I hope you guys like this video. So please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video among your friends. And please comment in the video.